Staple the squirrels to your beloved. Oh. Ugh. 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 There you go. You look so... You look so good. You look so nice. Wow. The squirrels are such a big improvement. Oh. Oh god. Oh wow. Day 1. It is time to hunt the squirrels. Alright, time to make my wife look very beautiful. Tip of the day, use the map default tab to orient yourself. Come back tomorrow for another tip. Oh, thank you. Is this a dead squirrel right here? Hey, we found one squirrel for the wife. Poison grass do not eat. Excellent. Okay, I guess I can just kill a bunch of squirrels by poisoning them right there. Bam! Hell yeah. You see it? Did I get it? Yeah! Alright, here, wife.